Welcome to learn how to make homemade incubators for chickens and poultry. My name is Philip Viljoen and I'll be your teacher for this course. Yes, that's a picture of me. I mean, the one in the right-hand top corner, not the one in the hand. And I've been involved in breeding chickens since I was 6. I started off by receiving a nice cock and 2 hens from an uncle of mine, and starting with bantams, eventually went over to silkies, created my own breeding group by the age of 14. But what I want to share with you in this course is the reason why you should consider breeding your own chickens or poultry or even game birds. And it's a lot about mathematics and the joy of seeing chickens pop out of 21 days. If you go and buy a dozen of eggs off the shelf in the supermarket, you might pay in pounds roughly between 2 and 4 pounds. If you however go and buy fertilized eggs for a specific breed of chickens, you might end up paying 3 pounds per egg. Now that maths sounds crazy if you're on the buying side. But can you imagine if you're on the selling side? If you can raise enough chickens and start producing your own fertilized eggs that you can sell, that's a business on its own. The other part is when you look at different breeds, you end up in some cases paying more than 50 pounds for a cock and 2 hens in the show chicken category. So that is also a part where there's a lot of money in it. Or let me put it this way, the breeding time for most chickens is anything from 20 days to 23 days. So you can within a month produce a group of chickens for a specific breed, or if you mark your eggs properly, you can produce multiple breeds at the same time. In this course we will basically look at all the different parts and components that you would need to build your own homemade egg incubator system, plus we will also look at what is available off the shelf that you can buy. What do you need to do now? Have a look on the right hand side at the top. Just sign up, join us, go through the course. You should basically have the benefits of all the information that's there. And in the last lecture you'll have the downloads of all the PDF files for each part and component that is used in the how to make your own egg incubator system. Thank you. See you in the course.